your stories aren't posting on your Snapchat public profile, you can try the troubleshooting steps. First of all, open your Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Also ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue resolves. And ensure that you're using the latest version of Snapchat. For that, you need to update the application from the Play Store or App Store. And then verify your public profile settings. And tap on your Bitmoji or the profile icon in the top. Scroll down to the public profile and then settings in the top right corner. Confirm that your profile is active and set up to allow stories. You can also check your story privacy setting. Once you're in the settings of your Snapchat account, scroll down and go to Privacy Control and then tap on View My Story. And make sure that it's set to everyone if it's available. You can also try clearing the cache. Go to the settings of your Snapchat and then scroll all the way down and then click on Clear Cache. And then tap on Continue. This won't delete your memories or chat, but might resolve the glitches. And you can also try reposting the story. Recreate the story and attempt to post it again. And then log out and log back in to your account. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.